In this video, I'll be showing you how to check or view your pending Robux. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, feel free to leave a like. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. So first, head over to the Roblox website, just like this. Now, to quickly explain, pending Robux is a system put in place by Roblox as an anti-abuse measure. This helps in case there are any issues with a transaction, so Roblox can step in and make changes if needed. Currently, the minimum time your Robux will be pending is about 3 days, while the maximum can be up to 30 days. So yes, your Robux might take a while before they show up in your balance. To check your pending Robux, go to the top right corner of Roblox and click on your Robux balance. You'll see your balance again and a button to buy more Robux, but what you want to do is click on the smaller Robux number below it. This will open up your Roblox transactions page. Here, you'll see a summary and some options to filter by date range, but what you want to do is select Incoming Robux. Scroll to the bottom, and you'll find a section labeled Pending Robux. Hover over it, and you'll see a tooltip saying, Pending Robux are not included in your total until released. If you look across, you'll see how many Robux are currently pending. Right now, I've got 0 pending Robux, but if you have any, they'll show here. And that's really it. It's just a waiting game. Once the pending period ends, your Robux will be added to your balance, and from there, you can use them as normal. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. Peace.